What if you could build that AI agent idea you've had in your head simply by chatting with an AI that interviews you about it? No coding, no workflow builders, no technical setup. You explain the idea, it asks clarifying questions, it builds the agent, you publish it, and it's ready for anyone to use or even buy. Let's learn how for free using Appy AI. Before building anything new, here's something I already made. I built a YouTube thumbnail brief generator inside Appy. It asks, what's my video about? What are my keywords? And who is my audience? And based on the rules I defined during the build of the AI agent, it outputs a structured thumbnail brief that I can send to my graphic designer. Now, this isn't me prompting ChatGPT each time. It's an AI agent I built once, and now it runs the system. To be clear, you're not building a chatbot here, you're encoding a system. Now let's build something more advanced. Once inside the main dashboard, you can browse some of the ideas of what you can build for yourself, as you can see here, or for business, or even entrepreneurs. And at the top here, you can see this is the area where we chat with Violet to build our AI agent. So Violet's going to interview you about the purpose of the AI agent you're building, the inputs required, and the output format. It asks for rules and constraints, and then any questions it should ask the user when they actually go to use the AI agent. Then once defined, the agent is built and published, then anyone can actually go ahead and use it. To get started with Appy AI, use the link in the description and pin comment below for a special discount. It also helps the channel, thank you. Then when you click get started, it'll ask you to create an account or log in via Google. So I've actually already got an account, so I'm going to sign in using my Google account. You can get started by straight away just discussing your idea here with Violet, but I'm going to sign into my account because this is generally just a splash page and the action happens in the Builder app. As I said, you can start the conversation and have the agent built within 15 minutes. So let's fly through it and see if we can do that. So I'll click create new agent, and here is where I have the chat with Violet. So I'm going to paste in that I want to build an AI agent that turns a YouTube transcript into platform specific posts. Let's have that chat. Okay, here's the answer. And I'm going to move to voice dictation because I absolutely love doing that. It's for my own YouTube channel, and I also will potentially sell it to other creators. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skip through the thinking stages. Each thinking stage can maybe last for, here we go, 5 seconds. If I wanted a slap bang AI agent, I can click the quick create an agent based on your idea now, or something in between, or have a deeper conversation. So I'm actually wanting to have a deeper conversation because it's worth that extra little time investment to get the best result possible. So I'll click have a deeper conversation about your business objectives. I have a pretty good idea of them, so let's move into the questions, please. Sometimes I'll take the transcript of the long form content, copy and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to build platform specific posts. That is one for LinkedIn under a certain template that I've got, another one for X, and another one for Facebook. They're all similar but different and have their own templates and the way that I present them. I also want to create a short version script of it that is high impact, high value, has a great hook at the start, and lasts for a length of about 30 to 50 seconds. The idea is then to submit that script to HeyGen and 11 Labs to create short vertical videos for me, which my video editor will then grab footage from the long form content and use that as overlay footage. But let's just focus on the written component of the posts and the scripts. Ideally, I want to be able to paste the script in to the agent and get it to spit out all the answers in a matter of seconds. Great, now it's asking for templates for each of those platform posts. So what I'm going to do now is copy and paste in my templates, and I'll whiz through the conversations I have with Violet as we tighten up those templates and come back to the next phase. And if you do want to see what the templates look like while I'm whizzing through it, just pause the video and feel free to read those templates. I also included a Facebook post template where the casualness of the language is somewhere between LinkedIn and X, and the length is slightly longer than X. Okay, as you can see, with each of these templates, I've created a bullet list of what should be included in that particular post type. And I've given it examples of what it would look like, because that format is a really great way to teach AI accurately what you want instead of just giving the template. Because if you give it input, output examples, it gets a better idea of what you want. So you give it the prompt, here's what an answer looks like, here's another version of what the answer looks like, and it can calibrate based on what the correct answers are to help the agent move forwards in the future with really well structured posts. For both the written formats, you don't need too much detail or long examples, but with the short videos, that is for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, I've given it a little bit more information and a better example, because in this day and age with video, you need to have a strong hook at the start and a compelling storyline, complete with a strong call to action at the end. Okay, there we go. We've finished putting in all the templates and examples for each of the different platforms. And I think it's done a good job there capturing the outline. Violet's followed up with a question here about when I paste in a script, should the agent ask me any clarifying questions? I think that's actually a good idea. So essentially it's saying, yep, paste in the transcript and then give it one key takeaway and then go ahead and create the content from there. This is a great question posed by Violet. When someone's using the tool, the agent should know what kind of content they're creating and where their niche is to help it develop the content from there. So yes, make it a one-time question for each new user to the platform. Great, it looks like we're almost at the end of the briefing phase, so let's go ahead and get it built. Now, usually when we're building an agent, once it's got all the information it needs, it'll go away for a few minutes and actually construct the agent. Actually, no, it's coming up with a bit of a summary as to what the agent will be doing. What it does, we know what it's doing, who it's for, which platforms that is, the capabilities, what inputs it needs from the user, how it runs, we paste in the transcript, answer one question quickly about the main takeaway, and get all 4 outputs immediately. That sounds spot on to me. So let's go ahead and create this agent. And we can see we go into a split screen where it goes ahead and creates the agent. Now this will take a few minutes, so let's go away and come back when it's finished.
A little while later.
Alrighty, that took less than 5 minutes to build. You can see on the right, we have the dashboard of our new AI agent. And on the left, we have a little bit of information that we haven't read through yet. Here's some of the summary of the things that went through when building. Don't need to talk about that too much. Okay, great. And now it's asking me to give it a test. So let's put in some information here that pops up when someone goes to this agent for the very first time. Okay, my channel is in the AI niche. Target audience is business owners and creators looking to leverage AI. That's a pretty good summary. Okay, click done on that. And now it should be asking me to go ahead and repurpose a video. So I'm going to paste in a transcript from a recent video and that's it. Send it off and let the agent do its work. See how quick it goes. Okay, so it summarizes the transcript, puts it all in. Key takeaway is, HeyGen is still the best platform for building your own AI avatar in 2026. Okay, that's a key takeaway. Now, let's see some results. Perfect, just having it flick through. I probably just need to customize some of the formatting there so the dot points carry on to different lines. Got the video linked in the comments. Great, that's all done. X post, take a look. Bang. Yep, once again, you got the link inside the actual post. Facebook, very nice. Good length, shorter than the LinkedIn post and a bit longer than the X post. Few emojis put throughout, that's good. Now, short form video. So if I were to read through that, would that last for 35 to 40 seconds? It's perhaps a bit short, but I don't mind a bit shorter. I could ask it to elaborate on that, but for now, I think it's done the job. So here we go, all 4 outputs are ready to copy and paste. Would you like me to adjust anything? So yes, if I did want to adjust the length of something, I could just do that. But at the end of the day here, we have a working AI agent that takes our transcript from our YouTube video and spits it out into the 4 different platforms we talked about. And the next AI agent I'm going to be building is one that takes a short form video script, plugs in HeyGen, plugs in 11 Labs, and comes up with the actual video for me. That'll be a more complicated AI agent build, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notifications on when I build that AI agent. Now that's all tested, the next thing to do is to go ahead and publish that AI agent. And when I click that, it shows what the current URL will be, which can be changed in my Appy settings later, but for now, let's just publish that and check that it works. Here's the landing page for the AI agent and the sign up page for joining Appy. So we'll copy that, open up a new tab. And here is the AI agent for creating YouTube to social media posts. And it's just like that demo screen we had before. So hey, it's all working for us. And you can get started with Appy AI using the free tier, which is fully featured. Then upgrade to Pro if you're serious about creating a team of AI agents and even potentially monetizing them. So if you've had an AI agent idea sitting in your notes, you can build it. Use the promo link below to try Appy AI free today. Start small, then scale. Watch this video next to learn what AI content creation looks like in 2026 with this all-in-one studio. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you there.